Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sayyid Khurram Shahzad. My roll number is BY625499. Today, I would like to present a lesson plan that I have formulated for class 10th, having strength approximately 40, and the subject is English. The topic I have selected for my lesson plan is first aid. Date I assume to be sent it to you is 18 December. Average age approximately of 10th students is 15, and number of period that I have selected for lesson plan is 1. Name of the school that I would like to present my lesson plan is Progressive School. First of all, I will discuss the general objective that we will get after delivering a lesson plan. After teaching of English, the student will be able to understand principles, rules, composition and grammar of English, know the status of English as a foreign language, increase their general knowledge and vocabulary building, explain Islamic concept, issues, and to participate in spreading Islam, highlight the role of English in the progress of country. And after that, there are some specific objectives that are after teaching of this lesson, the students will be able to know the importance of first aid that I have selected this topic first aid. So that they must know about the importance of first aid. And the next thing that they play important role at the time of accidents. The third thing is guess the meaning of difficult words and ask answers about the lesson, help one another in emergency. The teaching aids that I have used is the textbooks, writing boards, colored chart, markers, pencils, chart, duster, pointers, and models and picture the instruments of modern technology, etc. Teaching methods that I have used that the teacher will explain different aspects of the lesson. I am assuming that if someone is using this lesson plan, so if in case of mine, I will explain different aspects of the lessons by using textbooks, charts, or lectures and demonstrative methods of teaching. He will make, in case of mine, I will make use of all the teaching aids well in time and adopt the questions answers technique in order to maintain the participation and interest of all the students in the lesson. Introduction. First of all, when I get into the class, I would introduce myself. In the beginning of the period, on entering the classroom, the teacher will assume I will say Assalamu alaikum, and I will check the discipline and the seating arrangement of the class. And after that, I will make necessary changes very politely in case of any disorder. Then the teachers will explain references and the contents of the lesson in an interesting way. The teacher will advise the students to start every work in the name of Allah. It makes our work easy and beneficial. Test of previous knowledge. The teacher will make a comprehensive planning of his or her lessons and its topic in order to make his or her, in case of mine, I teaching impressive and lasting, so that I may achieve the required aims of educational perspectives with definite result in the fixed time easily. In order to test the previous knowledge, mental approach, capability and the degree of the learning, the teacher, in case of me, I will put a few brief questions. Through these short questions, the teacher will draw the attention of the students and to the topic I will ask. There are some points that I will discuss. After that announcement of the topic, I will announce my topic. On receiving the right answer to the question, teacher will encourage the students and will announce, dear students, today we will study about the first aid. The teacher, I will write the topic on the writing board in the block letters. Presentation that I will read the paragraph of the lesson as a model reading and will write different words with Urdu meaning or writing on the board. First aid, we all need help at times in our lives. Sometimes we may have accidents, we may get hurt. When our engine suddenly become unwell, we need some to help as someone who knows what to do. It is a temporary and immediate help. This timely assistance comprising of simple medical techniques is the most critical victims and often life-saving. Any layperson can be trained to administer it. First aid. This first aid can be carried out using minimal equipments. First aid knowledge ranges from taking care of the cuts to dealing with unconscious victims. The teacher will translate that. In case of mine, I will translate the paragraph in Urdu. हम सबको अपनी ज़िंदगियों में इब्तदाई तिब्बी इमदाद, हम सबको अपनी ज़िंदगियों में बाज़-औक़ात मदद की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. बाज़-औक़ात हो सकता है कि हम हादसात का शिकार हो जाएं, ज़ख्मी हो जाएं. जब हम ज़ख्मी हो जाएं या अचानक तबीयत ख़राब हो जाए तो हमें अपनी मदद के लिए किसी की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. कोई ऐसा शख्स जो जानता हो कि क्या किया जाए। ये आर्जी और फौरी मदद होती है। ये जन सादा तिब्बी तकनीक्स पर मुश्तमिल वक्ती मुतासरा अफराद के लिए नहायत अहमियत रखती है और अक्सर जान बचा लेती है। किसी भी गैर तरबियत याफ्ता फ़र्द को इब्तदाई तिब्बी इमदाद की देने की तरबियत दी जा सकती है। इस इब्तदाई तिब्बी इमदाद के दायरा कार में ज़ख्मों की देखभाल से लेकर मुतासरा बेहोश इंसान के इलाज तक मुश्तमिल। फाइनल अगर हम बात करते हैं तो मैं क्या डिस्कशन करूँ, व्हाट इज़ द पैराग्राफ अबाउट, डू यू नो समथिंग अबाउट द फर्स्ट एड, हैव यू एवर बीन फर्स्ट एड टू एनीवन, हैव यू गेट अ फर्स्ट एड kit in your lesson activity. I will ask the students to discuss in the class information of first aid, and as important in our daily life, make a first aid kit of their own. Home task that I will give them, that will be write a story how to rescue a party, save someone caught in the flood hit area in the notes above. Thank you, sir.